You're starting the vlog, Jim.
I'm starting the vlog. This is new.
Yes.
Yeah, it feels nice.
But say hi.
Good morning, people.
Jim's here, which means...
We're gonna barbecue.
Yeah. That's true. And Morsten's here is gonna barbecue. Jim's gonna record, and I got a visitor because Muesta's coming. And we're gonna talk about your windshield wipers, Morsten.
Yeah.
Yeah, we got
drifting.
And drifting?
And drifting.
Was it safe?
He corrected well.
There's a lot of things going on today, so stick around because this is going to be very, very interesting. But first, we got a visitor, and it's Alex from Muesta Barbecue, and he's bringing us a grill.
Yeah.
And I need it because I want a grill on it.
It's not only a grill, it's a fireplace.
Oh yeah, it's a lot more than that.
With a lot of possibilities, yes.
Nice. What is it? Yeah. Oh. It's quite heavy. Look at that. Look at that. That is one badass looking grill. You're gonna walk us through? But you cannot tell, when you walk us through, you can't say too much. Because there's going to be a whole video on the main channel on how this thing works and what it is. And
I don't. So I have to say something, or?
Yeah, but just a little bit.
Okay. Nice to come with your friends together at this grill, and you can stay around the grill with your friends and have fun. Look into the fire and have a piece of meat. It's the best spot you have.
Alex, really, you personally designed this grill, and you work with Marcelo and of course a team of people.
Yeah, sure.
But this is like. This is what you like to do the best. Design grills, think about new things, and really the things that Alex does is like think about how are people going to use it, how can we make it better. So it's like really with the customer in mind on development, and I really like that. And I think we're going to do a full review on it, but it's going to be on the main channel. All the accessories that you guys make, and you make a lot, because you could have a rotisserie on this.
No. Yes, you can if you remove the plate. Our pizza ring will fit on it, and then you had a lot of more possibilities.
But then pizza ring, rotisserie,
the tornado with the South American spits, the churrasco spits, and you can use your wok.
Wok, everything. And now we're getting into much detail. We're stopping there. Otherwise, you gotta watch the main video, main channel. Awesome. This thing is really awesome. So Alex, for the vlog, thank you for dropping by.
Yeah.
And
you're welcome.
See you next time. We have to meet sooner.
Tea.
Yes, drink your tea because it's freaking cold. We should light this thing up. I just realized that Jim and Morsten didn't see the paint yet. The paint job and the kitchen.
Did you paint it yourself?
And I also realized that you haven't seen it either. So
This is really cool.
Ooh, nice kitchen, nice big sink. No more struggle. The biggest sink in the world.
I bought the biggest sink that could fit.
Dishwasher.
A dishwasher. And nice. Open it.
Yeah.
And then pull the bottom rack towards you. Further.
Because my back hurts already. This is good.
Oh.
Nice.
Oh. This is looking good.
It's even like already installed.
I love the green though.
You figured out that you can't move that chair anymore because it goes so well together.
Yeah. The style is nice, right?
Yeah, really nice. Really chill, calm vibe as well.
Yeah. Goes well with the rug. Is the rug from inside or is it new?
It's a new. The dog loves this rug.
Yeah.
But she loves the floor heating even more.
It's nice. The floor is also good.
Yeah. This comes
Seeing the wall, this is nice.
This is also almost finished. Like once the furniture goes in.
We just need desks and chairs.
You know what we need too?
What?
It's like a toaster machine for tosties.
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 This is now
No.
Alright.
Yeah?
Back to my video.
What are you cooking?
Earth fingers.
Ooh. I really, really like rib fingers. Let's go. When do we eat? 5 hours.
Yeah, rib fingers? No.
What?
I don't want those rib fingers.
What?
Not 5 hours.
Why not?
No, not 5 hours.
But Jim doesn't know. Jim doesn't know. How could Jim know?
Small rib fingers.
Morrison, give your expert opinion.
Yeah, well, I don't know.
So I'm telling you. So I'm telling you 5 hours.
Yeah? I thought 2 hours.
2 hours?
Yeah.
You're gonna grill them.
30 minutes.
30 minutes? You're
Or
gonna
not.
microwave them.
No, but they're so thin. That's not 5 hours.
Oh, alright. 2 hours.
2 hours.
I think
Be done in 2 hours.
2 hours. We could make a bet though.
It's like beer because they're gonna be delicious anyway.
Okay, who guessed wrong has to do the dishes.
Okay.
Alright.
Jim, yeah, it's between you guys because I'm not gonna do the dishes. No. Jim said 30 minutes.
I said.
And you said 2 hours.
Yeah.
So if Jim's right, then you gotta do the dishes, and if Morrison's right, you gotta do the dishes.
What are we figuring out right now?
If this works or not.
That looks dangerous like that. Okay. Do you think we're gonna lose fingers?
Yeah, probably.
Okay. So the rib fingers are almost done.
Almost done.
Lul, what do you think about it?
You put this on automatic.
I know. I put it in aperture. Manual is too much. No, too much work.
Jim, you gotta
Yeah, I'm also.
gotta do the dishes
Oh, because?
because you said 30 minutes.
That is true. That is true.
All right, first sandwich is done. Well, actually, the second one isn't a sandwich. The first one is definitely a sandwich. Take a look at this. Jim is busy working on the shots. I'm sorry,
No, that's fine.
screwing up your light. But man, does that look good. If I may say myself. You hungry?
I am hungry.
I am most definitely hungry and I could use some food because it's really, really cold.
All right.
You ready?
Let's go. Let's cut into it. All right. So it's getting late and it's getting really cold, but we're making the final dish, right?
It'll be alright.
Our minds are getting like frozen up,
Bedazzled.
bedazzled. Like the voiceovers don't work and got to retry a lot, but we're on there. We got fire going here,
Look at that.
which looks good.
That's a beauty.
We're also hungry, and we got fire here because we got to stay warm. We got a heater there to stay warm, and yeah, that's practically it. We got Christmas lights. Well, yeah, we keep going for a little while and make the next dish. It's really cold. We're still surviving cold, but we got something else that's interesting.
Well, my meter says 3 minutes left. And I checked the temperature. The temperature is right.
Yeah.
But it looks so... Well, I know I smoked it. So it's a low temperature, but it feels so...
It's like a meat jelly bean.
Yeah.
I mean, the juices are running out, so it looks good. This is crazy good. This is really good. So I think I'm just gonna try with the sauce now, but I honestly think it doesn't need sauce. But let's see if Morrison did like up it like, also like. I don't know what to say. This is just too good.
What, is the sauce even better?
The sauce, I don't know. The sauce makes it a whole dish. This is more barbecue. I'm happy either way. I'm really happy either way.
Morrison.
Yeah, I did sauce. I put sauce on the Wagyu. But hey, you had a choice. This is with salt, this is with sauce.
Alright, so
But Jim likes it with sauce better.
it looks insane, but it's crazy. I'm just gonna try. What do you put on the outside?
Barbecue rub, curry powder as well, and just regular barbecue herbs.
I like it.
But like the results of this, it absolutely blew my mind. Because you're basically you do the scariest thing you can do. Who throws their steak in the fire? Yeah.
$1 million steak thrown in the fire. And I came up with another crazy idea.
What?
To do it Thursday. I can't say.
Oh man.
That's what happens when you give me too much time to think about make good ideas for videos.
So guys, for you it doesn't matter, but in a couple seconds, you're gonna see it.
Wow.
Or minutes.
See you guys next time. Today was a great day.
That's in 2 weeks.
Okay. 2 weeks.
After Christmas.
Yeah.
Goodbye, Jim.
Farewell.
Bye bye, Jim.
Farewell.
Good morning, guys. Straight from the new office. And we have some special guests today. I'm gonna show you right now. So we have the most amazing butcher in the universe, right here, at our doorstep.
That's true.
Working on this cut of beef. Is beef? It's
Veal.
It's a veal. And it's been laying in the dry age cabinet for a long time.
10 weeks.
It's almost hard to say goodbye.
It's like time goes by so fast.
Yeah.
If we wouldn't have done it now, it would have been in the dry age for 20 weeks.
Yeah.
So I'm really happy Remco's here. Remco's here today, help us out with this piece of beef. We're gonna cut it up into pieces and we're gonna let the expert do it. Because I can do it, but I don't know what I'm doing.
Mm-hmm.
I'm just playing with it.
There's a bit of a struggle who's the real expert, because there's one right here that thinks that she can do better.
But she has this like this. Okay, let's do it this way. Remco's the expert on taking it apart. I'm the expert on cooking it, and Eva is the expert on eating it. Remco has to work the hardest. And yeah, the only thing you have to do is push the red button and point the camera in the right direction.
I'm gonna push it right now. I want to show you something cool. I want to give you the experience that I'm having right now. It's really cold and you have to appreciate this view. I mean, this is the ultimate way of grilling.
And look what we got. Look. No, you can't see, but it's beef broth in there. We got roulade. Look at that. And this is picanha that we already cut up that Morrison's supposed to eat. This is Morrison eating roulade.
Picanha.
Oh, damn, picanha. Sorry.
Veal picanha. It's amazing. It's really amazing.
10 weeks, dry aged veal picanha, seared on a cast iron plate.
Next bite, same story. It's also amazing. Amazing. You know, when you take a first bite and you're just like blown away, it just keeps on happening with this.
It's hot.
It is hot.
But it's just salt and pepper. We didn't tell him the secret.
What?
We grilled it in goose fat.
Oh, that's the secret. Oh. Now that's beautiful. This crazy man is going to put Wagyu and roll it over vegetables.
Why is that crazy? I don't think it's crazy. That's my thinking.
Completely agree. And
It's
well,
totally.
I don't want to be an ass kisser, but this would be the best way to enjoy a Wagyu. Because of it's being thin sliced.
This is cheese spread. And I bought this just for me and Morrison to get an understanding of what Americans must go through to eat cheese out of a can or a tube. Just for us to get it looks like mayonnaise actually.
I know this.
It tastes like cheese spread.
Yeah, but it's
the stuff
basically
that children put on the sandwich.
yeah, the
Oh.
baby bell. What's it called? With the sticks, with the dipping sticks.
Yeah, but the aftertaste.
Yeah, it's fake.
It's even worse. Oh, take another. If you take the aftertaste, and if you take now another, the aftertaste gets stronger, and it's like crunchy inside your mouth. You could put it on salads, on snacks, on garnish, with chips and toast. Let me be real. You don't put motor oil on your food, right? It's made of. It says it's made of cheese that you can put on your sandwich. Of course it's made of cheese that you can put on your sandwich. That's what it tastes like. 58% cheese, water, melting salt.
Wait, 58% cheese?
Yes, it's not real.
That's not that much.
But it's actually cheese inside, so I'm pleasantly surprised that we're actually eating cheese. Weight per meat powder, butter, lean milk powder, and acid leveler. It's actually not that bad. I thought there were a lot more crazy things in here, but still don't like it. You know, at the pit we always do a quality test, huh? For the Wagyu. You gotta make sure it's the right type of Wagyu. So I did a light melt on the Wagyu when she's ready. Alright, she finished it. Now we'll wait for the verdict. Yes, you see? And that's when you know it's good. If she starts licking the floor where the Wagyu has been laying. Some people say you need this golden certificate that you get with the, like you have to ask for the certificate. You don't need that certificate. You need that dog, this on the queen, that's what you need. And she will tell you by licking her nose that you got the right stuff. Let's be honest, how was
How spicy?
the butcher steak?
Oh man, that was so good. It was the most delicious steak I've had in a while.
Stir fried.
Stir fried, but it was immense spicy.
You kind of have to be one of those spicy heads, one of those
Spicy freaks.
spicy freaks. Yeah, it's like I think I used half a jar of chili oil, which is around 100 milliliters. It might have been
Half a jar?
yeah, it might have been a bit much. My lips are still burning, but it was really good. And we had some fun cooking on the Muestra grill. This thing is awesome. It's been a blast. This place looks like a battlefield right now. And battlefields and Christmases don't go together, but Morrison?
Yeah.
I think we gotta call it a day. Look, Morrison's got the doggy bags. Hash browns, they were awesome. Best hash browns Morrison's ever had. Made by me.
They were amazing. They were amazing. And I had so many hash browns. No. I had one at what's that called again? Waffle House.
No.
So for the Americans, that's not quality. And I had this one. And well, this is undefeatable.
Come on, your mama never made you hash browns?
No. We are Dutch.
The Dutch moms make hash browns.
No.
Aardappelpannenkoekjes.
No, never. No.
I need to talk to your mom.
Yeah.
We gotta talk to your mom.
Yeah.
This is not real. You take this camera home and you talk to your mother about hash browns. This is not okay. This is a culture. This is our cultural heritage. We brought this to the United States.
Yeah.
We brought you the original hash browns.
Yeah.
Well, it's more like Rusty rondjes.
Yeah.
But
I am going to. Yeah, we need.
you need to talk to your mom. I want to know next week
Yeah.
what your mom has to say about. I bet you she's gonna say, Morrison, come on. I fed you so many aardappel pancakes, hash browns.
No. Give me the camera. They're gonna see it in 1 second. I'm gonna call her at home.
Call your mother.
Okay, so I have a question for you. Roel told me that every mother cooks hash browns for their kids. Did you ever cook the hash brown for me?
No, I never did.
See? And there you have it. No hash browns for Morrison. On that note, see you next time.